Hi everyone, it's William Black here, and in today's video, what we'll be covering is the 7 soul groups and their cosmic origins. We'll kick this off by covering each of the 7 soul groups, their name and the planet they come from. Starting with Alpha Centauri from the planet Centaurus. The second one is Arcturian from Arcturus. Third one is the Blueprinter. There's not much available for them as they come from a different universe entirely, and they come quite possibly from the consciousness from God himself. Then you have Hadarians from the planet Hadar. You've got Mission Roamers from Andromeda or the angelic realms. Then you've got Pleiadians from the planet Pleiades. Finally, you have Sirians from the planet Satyrs. Alright, let's now cover what role each soul group plays in human evolution. Each of them, as you can imagine, has their role or part to play in the planet's evolution and their path and purpose. The Alpha Centauri is here to protect Mother Earth. Then the Arcturians are here to build a balanced community in both spirit and physical worlds. Blueprinters are here to restore humanity to the original blueprint, which is joy, happiness and creativity, as well as restoring the DNA to its correct function. Hadarians are here to bring love back to the planet. Mission Roamers are here to bring light to the planet. Sirians are here to improve things that already exist on the planet and put them on steroids, so to speak. And then Pleiadians are here to inspire others into action with their light, and are healers in some form. We'll now cover why understanding your soul group matters in daily life. The reason for this is actually quite simple, because when you look at it right, we all may be different people and different personalities, makeup and everything. However, one thing we all have in common is we all look to have that identity, that significance. Otherwise, without the identity, without knowing who we are, we have nothing. So understanding your soul group is crucial because it helps you to better understand yourself and who you are and why you've been sent here on Earth to complete your mission at the time you have. But you also can gain a better understanding about the other soul groups and the other people in your life, like family members, friends, business associates, or anyone that's linked with you in some way, and also being able to reach the planet with the messages that you've been sent to deliver across. So by understanding your soul group, it establishes that identity for you, and it also helps you to then understand and communicate better with other people. Because it first starts with getting that with yourself and allowing that to then naturally and organically carry forward to others. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're keen to learn more about this topic, then all you need to do is go to our website, www.theawakeningwithin.net, become a free member with us, and if you hover your cursor on the training center the icon, it will then come up with 5 different categories. Click on free training center, and then under the category discovering your soul purpose, you'll see soul groups right there, the full webinar video about this topic. So thanks again guys for listening to this video. I trust you got a lot out of it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.